Hi, and welcome to another Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. Today I want to talk to you about trailer tires, also known as ST tires. Now, the important thing that you need to know when we're talking and we're choosing tires is there's different types of tires. You have your passenger tires, you have your LT tires, and you have your ST tires. Now, ST tires stand for special trailer. LT stands for light truck. On our rigs, we want to go with ST tires. The reason is because we have a stronger sidewall on ST tires than we do with LT or passenger. If we put LT tires on our trailer, we have softer sidewalls, which would allow for some sway, and we want to take that away. So definitely you want to choose ST tires. Now, all tires, they have some information on there. Let's go over that so that way you know what you're looking for. The first thing that we really want to talk about when we're talking about trailer tires is the age. Age is important. We don't just simply look at the tread, because usually on our rigs, we travel less over time, and so we don't wear down our tread. We need to look at the DOT date. So we'll spin this around and we'll look for the DOT, and you're gonna see 4 numbers that are circled. Those 4 digits will actually tell us the date this is born. The first 2 digits will give us the week of the year. You have 52 weeks in a year. The first 2 digits, this one's 22, so it was built on the 22nd week. The last 2 digits give us the year that they were built. This was built in 17. So the 22nd week, 2017. Once you determine the date on your tire, the NHTSA actually recommends that all tires be changed out between 6 and 10 years to check with your manufacturer. I would suggest that you keep it between 5 and 7 years. These are wear items, and we don't want to wear them out. We don't want 100% use, because when do they go out? When we're on the road. So between 5 and 7 years, we want to go ahead and change these out. But the NHSTA states 6 to 10. You take that chance. So that's one thing that we want to look at is the DOT date. So we've covered the ST, we've covered the DOT date. Now let's talk about load rating. If you'll ever notice that on our ST tires, we're going to give us 2 different forms of load rating. It'll say for a single axle that this particular tire can handle up to 2,010 pounds. But it says for a load range for a dual axle can only handle 1,820 pounds. You need to know whether your rig is either going to be a single axle, dual axle, even a triple axle. If it's a double or triple, you need to go with a smaller number. If you hit a bump, then what chances are one tire is going to handle more weight than the rest of them. So what the engineers have done is they have determined what that weight factor will be. So if you go with a tandem axle or triple axle, you'll need to go with that lower weight rating. So let's talk about weight ratings. ST tires are specifically designed to handle loads, and that's what we really want to look at. We want to look at the total weight of our RV and compare it to how many tires we have. The one thing that we're looking at when we're upgrading tires is we want to actually increase our weight rating. Now, usually when we increase our weight rating, we're actually going to increase our middle number. In this case, we have 205, 75, R14. If I were to increase this, my middle number may change to an 80. If it changes to an 80, then the profile of my tire will actually stand up maybe a quarter inch, half inch taller. So be aware that whenever you upgrade, your middle number may increase. You want to make sure that you have clearance in your wheel well.
If you want to be able to fix 80% of the problems on your RV, check out our home study course at the nrvta.com website. If you'd like to earn an income and create a business while on the road, check out our website at nrvta.info, fill out the form, and start your business today.
Hey, are you tired? I'm tired. All right. Talk about a couple things here that it just coming up the top of my head right here. So that's one thing, or a culvert or something. If you hit a culvert, you've been backing up. Okay.
I know, I'm sorry.
Well, let's see. We've covered that. We've covered that. There's a fly flying all around me. I don't know if you can see it. Do we have like a vacuum to suck this thing up? Seriously, it's like in my face. All right. All right, are you getting that fly? I threatened him. I swung at him.
Yeah.
Not anymore. Did I get him? Dude.
I don't know if that was one of the dead ones from before.
Maybe that's his brother.
Maybe he scared him.
I'm the fly whisperer. Whoa. Let's do that. It's like I'm in high school all over again.
If your tire has a penny stuck in it.
Well, we need to get it back because apparently we're in a coin shortage. Are you looking at something? Okay. All right.
Is that good?
Spank it. Ugh.